Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw my Draw So Cute Angel Girl. So let's get started. To draw this angel, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So let's start right here and draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right here. And come to the other side, about this wide. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. There, so nice round bottom of a U. And from there, let's go to where we started in this area, and we're going to draw a circle for the eye. So right to the edge. And same thing on the other side. Let's come in here now that we have the circles in and make them Draw So Cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, let's come right here and we're going to draw some lashes. So come to the edge and we're just going to curl out two simple lashes. Same thing over here. And it's come above the eye, so say about right here. I'm going to add a curve for the brow. Soft curve. And same thing over here. And then let's draw the mouth. So right in the center, about right here. Draw a curve and cap it off on the ends. So now that we have her face basically drawn in, we're going to start to draw her hair. So I'm going to come right to the center, say about just imagining an oval. So say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and from there I'm going to start to draw her hair. So let's bring down a curve, and it's going to come right back to where you started in this area, and same thing over here. And then from there, let's just bring this up a tiny bit right in the center for where her hair parts. And I'm going to come right in this area and draw a curve that comes down right there. And just imagine it coming through because her hair, and just flick it out. Same thing on this side. Coming through and then just coming out. Then from there, let's go up, and so give myself an amount of space, so about right here. Give myself another point, and I'm going to start to draw the top of her hair. And then I'm going to bring this part down. And this side. And let's bring this down more. So on this area right here, it's going to be a little bit closer. There. Okay, so then now that we're up here, let's draw her little halo headband. So I'm going to come in this area and just draw a bunch of curves. At a curve. And then on this side, I'm going to go the opposite way to make it fluffy. And I'm just going to pop this out, and I'll erase that when I color it in the computer. But if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and pop that out and erase that. And right here on the back, we're going to draw the halo. So right here, I'm just going to start basically a oval. And I'm going to come in here and thicken our halo. So now that we have this in, let's draw her body before we finish the rest of her hair and the wings. So I'm going to come right in the center and draw her neck, and then come out with a curve for her shoulders. And right here, bring it down. And so then I'm going to come about right here, imagine where her armpits would be. So say about right here on both sides. And I'm going to draw a slight angle line. Now from there, I'm going to start to work on her little outfit right here. So bring this up a little bit more. And right here, I'm going to connect it with a curve. And then in this area, I'm going to give her some sleeves. So, and then I'm going to poof out a little sleeve for her. So I'm going to pop this out a little bit more, curve it out, and then bring in some curves. So same thing over here. From there, I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. I'm going to make it pretty even on both sides because I have to draw her hands. So about right there, I'm going to start to draw her hands because it's going to come right to the center holding a candle. So let's imagine this coming through. So about right here, I'm going to start to draw her arms. So it's going to fold. It's going to bend about right there. And we're going to create her arm right here. So same thing on this side. And about the same area. Now to draw her hands together holding this candle, we're going to come, now that this is pretty much even, let's come up for a thumb. And I'm going to bring it down, straight line down, and then this part's going to come out. So right here at the bottom, come out. In this area, we're going to start to wiggle her fingers. So come right here, and this is going to be our center. I'm going to come and wiggle 1, 2, and then the bottom, just going to finish it off and connect it. So the same thing on this side. So bring it really close, and there's going to be another straight line right there. And then finger. And so then this part is a little bit easier. You're just going to draw a curve and connect it back. Then right in the center, we're going to add a little candle. So right where those points are. Round it off at the top, and then we're going to add a little flame there. Okay, so then now we have that part in. Let's finally come in here. We're going to draw her skirt. So about right here, we're going to poof out. So imagine this coming through. About right here, it's going to poof out. And same thing on this side. And let's bring this down more. And now that's pretty much the same level. I'm going to go ahead and come in and just add a bunch of curves and come back up. And let's see, now let's draw her legs. So I'm going to come to the center right here, and I'm going to angle her legs out. So right here, I'm going to draw an angle line. And we're going to taper and get thinner as we come down. And about right here, I'm going to start to straighten it up and then curve it out for her feet. And just go ahead and connect it. And right here, I'm just going to add a curve for her shoe. And so then this side's a little bit easier. We're just going to go ahead and come about right here. And we're just going to draw an angle line in and tuck her feet. Her other leg in so you won't see it. Okay, so then from there, let's finish off her gorgeous hair. So I'm going to bring this down. And I'm going to end it about right there. So in this area, I'm going to come in and curve. And just zigzag up and bring it in. So same thing over here. Come here, thicken her lashes. Her brow. And let's see here. Now her wings, of course, right? So I'm going to start about in this area. I'm going to draw a wing for her. So I'm going to come about right here. And I'm going to curve out part of the wing. And come down. And about in this area where her skirt is, I'm going to start to come out, flare it out with a curve. And I'm going to bring it up. Just going to add a bunch of curves right here to finish it off. And I'm just going to lightly add a line right here. And bring these up. Okay, so same thing on this side. So I'm just going to drag a bunch of points across. So right there, and it's going to be right under her hair. So I'm going to come up. And don't worry if it's not the same. We just want to approximate same size. So about right there. I'm going to aim towards the bottom right here. So bring this down. And about where her skirt is, we're going to start to come out. And once again, come in. And just add a bunch of curves to finish off the wing, and then once again outline. And connect. And then just bring these in. And the last thing, of course, I'm going to add a little heart right here to decorate her dress. And now she's my Draw So Cute angel. I hope you love how this angel turned out and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.